Hi, this is Hunter from Show Off Country, and I'm here with my friend and professional dance instructor, Keri, and we are in this video going to share with you the #1 secret to being a good country dancer for the ladies. Now, as you may or may not know, when it comes to dancing, especially social, like a lot of the work depends on the lead. So girls, like the best thing to do is to find a good lead, but that's not always the case and not always available to you. So it's like, what can you do to not only either look good with a good lead, or also if you're dancing with a guy, who's just learning. And the concept that we, like to talk or put in your mind is Barbie doll frame.
Absolutely.
Keeping the Barbie doll frame.
We want to be firm. I tell the girls, have you ever tried to hold jello without a bowl? You don't want to be gooey. So you want to provide some type of structure from which the guy can feel you and move, and these are some of the basics on which to do that.
Right. And so what we mean by that is, think about like the Barbie doll, like she can only move if you push her hands. She turns what? At the waist.
Yeah, you want to respond like a turnstile. Mm-hmm. So if you feel like you're one piece of plastic or one piece of metal, then you'll be very responsive to whatever he's going to be leading you in.
Yeah, and it's kind of like, so because when the guy pushes your hand, like instead of just going back like this, if you were a Barbie doll frame and he pushed your hand, it would force you to turn your wrist, mm-hmm. or your waist.
So he pushes on the right hand, you turn right. He pushes on the left hand, you turn left. Of course, if he raises a hand above your head, it's going to be like your North Star. You're going to follow that right or left as well. Another thing that's a really great tip for the girls is men are upper body built. They're nice and strong that way. We're lower body built. So if we are framing up with our partner, let's just say traditional frame, and we drop our arms down, that not only becomes heavy on the gentleman, but we're trying to muscle against them. That's never going to happen. So if you lift your elbows just a little bit, put a little bit of your bone structure behind the muscle structure, you'll be able to match a lot better, not have to work so hard.
Yes, and another good thing to keep in mind is when you have a guy, now especially the country, where you're at, some of the guys may not have a big frame like this, they may be more like that, and so you kind of, you deal with what you're working.
Right.
But for your safety and to make you look good, when you have this position, pretend like, again with Barbie doll, but also think like the guy's like wants to kiss you and you're pushing him away.
Not now, honey.
Yeah, like, hey girl, come in here. And so when you keep that frame, that keeps him back, but it also really helps him lead better, and it helps keep you safe, which is the most important thing. All right, so those are just a couple tips that you can use to look good and be the girl that all the guys want to dance with on the country floor.